Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4865. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left front 16-inch alloy mag with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has a 6-inch dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch steel factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right rear door one small dent, right front door 3 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. The driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 4-switch type. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior, cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive bucket seat type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.